recording this?
Yeah.
Do you have enough light?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Hi, I'm Hero Singhal.
Manish,
Nitesh,
Naveed,
Raghav,
Manal, Parth,
Lakshay.
Rahul.
my name is Sachin. Pradeep Kumar.
My name is Nipur.
Anupriya.
I'm Ayush Mehti. Atul.
Digvijay.
Priyanshi. Neetal. Ritika.
Sawan. Rohit Gupta.
Ritika Chaudhary.
First year of college, this campus was not ready. This campus, we were the first class to enter this campus, and I distinctly remember none of this stuff was here. There was only one block that used to work. That was the MPA block, I think, and then the COE block started functioning, and then we moved classes over there. So it was not easy to get to. From that, there was no metro. So it used to be a huge exercise to come to college, and we were always running late. And we just made it in time, just got our attendance, but we had an absolutely amazing first year.
I think I was a part of Mirage. That was a fond memory. Then everybody here, my friends, those are a fond memory. Baki class bunks, everything like that.
Lots of fond memories. This is one of my closest friends,
So please.
Jayan. Please come inside. He and I were buddies since the first year.
We performed. So I was actually heading that team. We were performing on the stage on Fishes, and we actually won. So it was pretty decent experience.
The best memories were as juniors, of course. I mean, looking forward to your seniors and then learning things from them.
On a personal level, yes, I have also been intoxicated millions of times. So, तब तो तूने तो कभी संभाला नहीं है मुझे, है ना?
It might be good for you. I have never attended class, so I can't tell you the other view of it. तो हम लोग तो बस एग्जाम से 2 दिन पहले पढ़ते थे and we passed the college and
Experience wise, yes. Technically speaking, no. Okay.
Actually applicable. No, nothing is applicable. So all bullshit.
I think it is not necessarily it'll matter. It's same thing as in school. I would say you're taught a lot of things, right? You may not actually implement them right away, but I think go down the road, right? You'll see opportunities where you could apply some of these things.
So I had a very enriching नाम क्या था sporting वैसे का आगाज था ना different kind of exposure that you do not get in any other society.
I am in a consulting role, which is a managerial job. So really, you can't expect that my engineering skills will be of any help in my job. But saying that academics didn't help me will be an understatement. Do help me up to a certain extent. But more than that, my extracurriculars and other things which I did really helped me. I won't say from the CV point of view, but from the point of view of a person I am today. The life lessons, the soft skills I learned, that was really great.
No, but the major learning in college was during, because the peers here are very comfortable.
the network which we make here,
They make you very comfortable and you participate in coding competitions. I speak for COE here, so you participate in coding competitions, you go out for hackathons and all. So that way, the peer group here is very good. I mean, I don't think that we are missing out there.
Raksha Bandhan. On 2012 August 1st, it was Raksha Bandhan. We didn't come to that college that day.
it was all strange and new. Didn't like any first day.
Everyone puzzled about lot of things, what to do, what college, even what college to join. And not, at least I was not sure.
The most scandalous thing you saw in NSIT? Or were
Can
you
you
a
take it off the
part
camera?
of anything like that?
Nothing out of the blue. नहीं, हम कभी पकड़े नहीं गए. Nothing too scandalous to come up front.
Even late nighters, not drugs.
There are a lot of rumors. I don't know if any of those true. And I sorry, but I can't say that those on camera.
So एक बारी I came inside around 2 o'clock in his car's dicky. So that is the most scandalous thing for me.
We started some of it, first of all. Like I was telling you, we were the first class in this campus.
We were in the core team when we were doing that. We brought Edward Maya with us that year. And the team was so jacked up all the 7, 8, 10 days, last 7, 10 days. And it was pretty amazing in the sense that we were actually responsible for the thing that was going to happen in college. So we actually felt responsible for the first time.
I have, like in last year Moksha, I have or grand total I've slept for hardly 10 hours on a spread of 5 days. So that's a good thing because I was having a lot of fun. It was a bad thing because I got fucked up for the next entire week.
I think you have to move fast.
Good question.
Two perfect guys.
नहीं मेरा तो भाई dating life in college was a disaster.
I luckily found someone in college. We tried hard to be somewhere else because there wasn't much life here.
I found someone outside this college. Strictly speaking.
We started dating like
So you don't know
8-9
what
years
we are
back, and we are still together. So
में 75
MBA में तो मान सकते हैं but about it
क्यों मान सकते हैं?
BT में होंगे
BT में तो है.
If somebody is watching this and they know me, they are going to probably grab me by my neck because I've had pretty decent experience in that respect.
भाई तुम्हें टेंडर में दुकान खोलनी है यहाँ पे. It's like 1:8 तुम बीटेक करो.
And I would like to tell all my juniors that live your life. These 4 years might not just come back ever again because this is an experience that you live with your life.
Study more, enjoy more.
Be above the average and show that you are in the first class with distinction.
I think the biggest thing I would say is be there for each other.
One thing that you should definitely do in college is take as much lead as you can and don't get scared away from things. Like maybe you have not done those things in your school life, but now is the time that you can actually explore. Don't just go that, okay, everybody wants to do coding.
I hope this campus keeps growing, and I hope you guys keep doing whatever you're doing. And listen, our name depends on you guys, so please do a good job.
For me, memories. Epic memories.
I mean, we spent a lifetime here. These 4 years, when we're never getting them back. और ऐसे 4 साल जिंदगी में कभी नहीं आए.
Passion.
The happiest memory of my life. Happiest memory. Happy memory. I can't describe it in one word. I'm sorry.
Happiness.
A place to dream big.
I would say life. I found him there, so here I would say life.
Oh.